Hey everybody, sorry guys, facing a problem in your GP. And the problem is you guys are trying to link your bank account in your GP and it's just not linking up. Well, you guys are at the right video, because in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how we guys can fix your GPS bank account problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment, I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first step is to gotta check if your internet connection is fast or not. Because sometimes due to your slow internet connection, your GPA just does not connect with your bank. So make sure you have a fast internet connection or a stable internet connection. And the other thing is, make sure your Google Pay is up to date. Because sometimes due to Google Pay not being up to date, it's gonna not allowed to connect your bank account with their GP cigar update to a GP as well. And the other thing is you got to be in a country where GP is available because GP is not available. And every single part of the world, in some country GP is still not available or it's banned. So if you're in that country, and you're trying to link your bank account with GP is not going to work, right? So make sure to check if GP is available in your country or not. And the other thing is, if you mistype the information of your bank, so let's say when you're entering your bank detail, if you mistype any information over there as well, then your bank account is not going to get linked with GP. So you got to check if the information you entered is correct, because if it is incorrect, it's not going to work. And the other thing is, if your bank doesn't recognize this GP as a reliable source of receiving your money, they're not going to allow that transfer to happen. So if that's the case, you got to call your bank and tell them that do you allow to link your account with GP? If they say yes, you can link your account. If they say no, then you can do anything, and doing anything which I say in this video is not going to fix your problem. Alright, so that's how we guys can fix our GP bank account problem. Just make sure that your bank account allows that linking to happen, otherwise it is not going to work right. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel Tech It Simple. Bye.